Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add transitions in MyMovie, and it's really easy. So first thing you want to do is just want to click edit, and then you will have a trim here. And you can trim your video here, and I'm going to trim video here. So again, edit, and it will cut where you got your lines. So again, trim, and you got it. Now what you want to do is to click on the small, I don't know how would I call it, square between videos, and then choose, for example, this one. It's fade out. Then you got also different kind of transitions, but honestly I like the fade out the most. So I'm going to use it here, and also we can use this one here. And when I'm going to play the video now, let's play it. Okay, the first transition, yep, and the second transition. So that's kind of it. That's how we do it. If you enjoyed this video and if this video was helpful, you can support to subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me in the comments what else would you like to learn from MyMovie, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody, have a great day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.